Unboxing with the boys.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with the Boys. I'm Brent.
I'm Adam.
And today we have what, Adam?
We have the CS-HDC5EXTSRPOE.
And again, I say this every time, but I'm glad you're saying that because I don't remember.
Yeah, it's a mouthful. So Brent, if you want to go ahead and explain it, I'll go ahead and start opening it.
Absolutely. This is a 1080p non-HD based T extender. It is an excellent way to support your cable box, your satellite receiver, your standard Blu-ray player. It's ready to go. It goes to, I believe, 100 feet.
Yes, it does.
So all you need is a CAT6, some RJ45s, and you're ready to go.
Exactly. Now, so first thing that we have here, of course, is our manual, as always. Now, this is very important on this because it does have an EDID dip switch.
Ooh, this is really nice because it allows you to set things to reduce confusion in your installations.
Exactly. So you'll see here it does have the settings for the dip switch, so to pay attention to that. We'll go ahead and set this aside.
And it's big enough that I can read it.
Exactly. We have our nice little piece of foam to kind of protect everything there. Then we have our transmitters and the receiver as well.
Ooh. Okay. Before we get to those, let's see what else is in the box. Power supply.
Yep.
Gotta have that, but only one. An IR blaster and an IR receiver.
Correct.
Now these are 5-volt IR. It is designed specifically for this system, so it will not do a direct plug into your control system.
Exactly.
If you need to tie it into a control system, you will use our standard optically isolated connection process.
And what is that?
You stick the emitter from your control system onto my IR receiver and you're ready to go.
There you go. So with that, guys, we'll go ahead and take a look at this here. We have our receiver and our transmitter. And we'll go ahead and take a look at this here. We have our
two HDMI ports on the transmitter.
So we do have a loop out option on the transmitter side. And of course, this is where your EDID controls come into play. So make sure that if you need to change the EDID to something different than the standard, which is...
And if you have two displays that are different resolutions, what do you want to pick?
The highest common denominator between the two of them.
Yes, so if you have a 720 and a 1080p...
We want to go to 720.
Yes, you do.
So we have our HDMI in or HDMI for a local, HDMI out for a local display. And then on the other side, we have our IR out, our CAT6 or CAT5E connection, our reset with a link light and a DC 5-volt connection.
Okay, so why is the IR out at the source side?
Because it is a one direction. We are controlling it from the display back to the source.
So your cable box, your satellite receiver, your Blu-ray player.
Correct.
Absolutely.
Yep. Then on our receiver, we have our HDMI out that will go to the display. We have our our DC 5-volt and our IR in, again, because we are controlling from the display back to the receiver.
And while power can go at either side of it, what do we normally recommend?
We're at the transmitter.
Why?
It's a cleaner installation, and also it's doing most of the work.
By the way, 568A or 568B?
We want to do 568B, and the reason for that is, well, we have to say something.
And if we don't, you're going to call us. So
Exactly.
It's 568B, guys.
Yep. So with that, the last thing we have on here is we have our length button, our CAT5 and CAT5E and CAT6 connection here, and our link light.
You've also got, as with all of our products, the ability to wall mount it, or you can also Velcro it right on the back of your rack.
Exactly.
And any other questions, please go to www.metrahometheater.com and check us out on the usual social media suspects.
So I've been Adam.
I've been Brent. This has been another episode of Unboxing with the Boys, and
we'll see you next time.
Thank you.